Okay, so I got like a notification on my iPad for the Simpsons game. So I turned it on and it went to the Simpsons game and then it immediately started doing this. It's not on. See, I turned it off and it won't stop. I'm just muffling it by sitting on it, but it's coming from the speaker, and I don't know how to get it to go off, but let's try to restart it, because this is really annoying. Vicky's all freaked out by it. Okay, powering it off fixed it, but it was really creepy, because in Paranormal Activity 4, the electronics, like their computers and everything, and their phones and stuff stopped working, and they just started acting really weird, and my phone turned on and started playing a song, which is Pay For It, was the song, and then that just happened with the weird sound box thing, and now I'm really paranoid. So now I'm afraid to like touch any of my stuff. But
check this out. Yo, Dip!
I mean, okay.